Welcome! In this video, we will demonstrate how to navigate through one of the lecture types. When you access a lecture, it will open in a new tab. The burger menu in the top left corner expands the menu, which you can use to navigate to different slides. Inside the menu, use the magnifying glass icon to open a search field. Type in your search query to search through the slides. Select the burger menu again to close the menu. The transcript option in the top right corner either expands the audio transcript or opens the option to download a PDF of the transcript. Use the forward and back arrow buttons in the bottom right corner to navigate to the previous or next slide. Note that on the first slide, the back arrow button will be disabled, just as when you were on the last slide, the forward button arrow will be disabled. At the bottom left, use the volume button to adjust the volume. The CC button enables closed captions of the audio. Next, to the right, use the play-pause button to play and pause the slide. The progress bar shows your progress on the current slide and allows you to skip forward or back on the slide. The replay button allows you to restart the slide. You have reached the end of this demonstration. Thank you.